Alrighty, what we have here is a 2004 Dodge Ram overhead cubby door display map dome light console removal. Alright, super easy. There is a couple different ways on these. This style with the cubby is 2 Torx bits, T20s, right there and right there. All right, so what you gotta do is you gotta take those out. Now, some models without this cubby, you have to actually pop these little lenses off. That's right here. This one doesn't, but all you gotta do to pop these lenses off, if you don't have the cubby, is you'll see the little hinge, the little plastic tabs. If you look real close on each side, stick a screwdriver in at that location, because that will, if you stick it up here, all it's going to do is break this clip. So stick it right in here, pry it out, boom. Okay. So typically on the non-console style, there's going to be a Torx bit on each side, in this area here. This one doesn't have it because it's a console style. But you take those 2 Torx bits out for the non-console style, and it will allow that to drop. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take these Torx bits out for this one. Like I said, T20. All right, so that allowed the back end to drop. All right, so now up here, all it is a clip. So you just pull down on each side, and it will release. Once you get that released, you have this connector right here, which maybe I can do one-handed. No, okay. And then on the display, there's another one right there. So let me get these off. Okay, there you have it. Here's the 2 mounts that the screws go into. There's where the clips go, right there, that they just pop out, which are these clips right here on the front side. Luckily I can cut the harness because I'm just going to be selling the part, and it allows me to bench test them. So yeah, that's about it. Pretty easy video. I'm sure it'll help somebody. These break all the time. Yeah, so I'll put links below on the parts that I sell in my store. We sell cold climate interior parts from Maine, so hope this helps. Thank you.